Hey, good morning, YouTube traders. This is William from Bearable Traders, and I'm done for the day. A nice one and done. But before we get into that, let's look at our chat room live right now. It's on mute. I'm gonna unmute it so you can hear just for a sec. This is Andrew trading. These are all our members talking about trade ideas. And Andrew's done trading. He had killer trade on MU. You can see moderators like Andrew and Brian called out their trades over here on MU and Levi. We've got our scanners right here. We're looking at Roku. Even though Andrew's done for the day, he's still looking for trades from members, and people are calling it out. But let's listen in for a sec.
Those things that bounce back. Yeah, I don't want to go in there right now.
See, he's trying to analyze Roku
MU
live for all
pop
members.
Up above 43.
And so here's his MU trading: long, cover, stop.
That was a really nice
long, profiting, and now he has a limit sell at 43.
I'm getting out more at 43, so I have over there. Look at the ask at the 43, 80,000 shares. So that's exactly what I'm trying to teach. Look at the ask. Oof.
You see how even on every single day, it's not just him trading, it's him teaching.
Including me. So I got field for here 10. Yeah. So I got out more.
So did you
guys see that at 43.10?
I'm gonna mute it just for a sec so you can understand. When he trades, he tries to teach, and so everyone can see live exactly what he's doing and talk it through to learn the mindset. All right, so now let's look at my trade on MU, because Andrew called this out, and I was looking at it. We were all looking at it from the pre-market, all right? And why? Gap up. Awesome. Gap up above this level, okay? It's got daily levels back here, but if you notice something, no moving averages in my way. All right, so here's my Harmonious chart. I've talked about it enough time, but I'm going to keep talking about it because it's just beautiful. All right, so then what do we see here? Harmonious chart holds even $42 a couple times. 1 2 3 on the 1 2 on the 2 minute. We have this 5 minute with the moving average down here acting as support. Again, the daily gap up. All right, so then I wait for the double bottom. I wait for it to be above these moving averages and to be breaking over VWAP on a specific handle. So what do I actually have here in terms of strategies? Double bottom on the 1, new 1 minute high above VWAP. Double bottom on the 2, holding the 50. 5 minute, it was right before the 5 minute closed. So we can see here's 1 2 3 4. So it was closing for an opening range breakout. I got it before the close, but I saw the opening range breakout, and look at that volume. All right, yeah, I'm getting FOMO. If you're watching this right now, I'm getting FOMO because I got out, but not really, okay? I'm not gonna let myself fall into that trap, even though, no, I see it running without me. All right, and then on the 15-minute chart, again, no moving averages in my way, clear uptrend. So everything is screaming at me. It is screaming along. If it's a short, I'll let that trade go without me. Other people can try to short this. That's just not my trading style. So now what do I actually do? I execute my trade right here at 42.34, okay? 42.34. Now when I did this, I had my stop attached to my order that automatically got sent out. So you see I got filled here, and then here's my stop. So if you can see, that is 16 cents from 42.34 to 42.18. My stop was right here at 42.18, and it wasn't on a candle break. It was below the VWAP on this body break. Why do I do that? Because I don't lose as much slippage when I don't do it at candle breaks, and it's right under VWAP, so I thought that was a really great level because there was no resistance on top. Okay, so now how do I partial out? I was really thinking this through on a day like this. I was thinking around 43, but I decided not to get greedy, all right? I could have gotten greedy on today and gotten lucky, but I decided not to. And so I got filled here at 42.84. So if we just do some simple math here, I was risking 16 cents, okay? I was risking 16 cents. And then from 34 to 84 is, you can see it exactly what I was doing, 0.84 minus 0.34 equals, right? That's 50. 16, 32, 48. Okay, so I got a 3-to-1. I went for a 50-cent profit on 16 risk, and I increased it just a little bit over 3 to 1 for the potential of 1 or 2 cents of slippage if I'm wrong. So this is an actual 3 to 1, including the potential slippage on my loss. And so I put my limit order out there. You can see I put it out there at 37.36, and it got filled at 37.43. And I really thought about only partialing out. And this is where I'm going to second guess myself on a really strong stock on a Harmonious chart, but I got a 3 to 1, right? So I can't be down on myself, but I can learn from it. On a Harmonious chart, that's when I can get better than a 3 to 1. Right there is the idea. You got it? When I have my crystal clear A1 setups where it's not a scalp, that's where I can have different partialing. So just wanted to share that with everyone very quickly because it was just like an awesome setup that you guys can all understand the setup. That's what I want you to see. Crystal clear setup, crystal clear risk to reward, using stops, using limit orders, crystal clear FOMO. I mean, if this isn't FOMO, this is live right now. I'm staring at this thing. I had a 3 to 1 that was actually a 6 to 1, right? Risk, reward, reward. Oh. So, FOMO in the making, but I'm going to do what I want to do and not trade again, be done, and be happy with my day. Hope you guys all had a great day too. Ask any questions about this, but this is just a crystal clear, easy setup for anyone.